Paul again here from EMD. Just want to show you before I go home today. This car here, there's a lot of fault codes on the actual gearbox. So some of the fault codes I can't even erase. So now I've done all that work, clean. So pretty much new oil, new filter, check the wiring harness, carried out programming as well. Carried out programming, vehicle coding, adaptations of switches 1, adaptations of switches 2, adaptation token with lockup clutch, software calibration. It's a lot of stuff you gotta do as well, so you gotta do all that as well. So when I finished doing that, then I had to go back into done the road test, wash the car like I said before in the previous video. Now I've actually gone into my scan tool, so I'm just trying to go into in gearbox now. So see, PDK Tiptronic. If you look at the model 997 PDK Tiptronic on top there. Then now I'm going to read the fault codes. Should be no fault there, I hope. Yes, no fault codes. Alright, now all the fault codes that was there, it's not even relogged again, it's not there anymore. So that's good news for this car. I'll tell this customer to watch the video, but there was a lot of fault codes in the car and a lot of stuff that I had to actually figure out which direction I've got to go, because sometimes you can actually program the car the wrong way and you can actually fry the ECU, especially the PDK1. They're the worst one. So ATF, I mean the normal automatics and 997 is good, but programming a gearbox, PDK gearbox ECU, it's really bad, and they actually fail. But luckily I can actually extract the data and put it back into another car as well, anyway, on a different ECU, second-hand one. But let's try it again one more time before I turn it off. No TDC. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.